Today I will be showing you how to get custom audios only using FLEASION. It is a very simple process and I will show you. First thing you're going to want is to go to this link, which I will have posted in the bio. You will go here, you will install it, going to code, you will download the zip. Once you have downloaded the zip, you will extract it to your choice. I prefer desktop, but you will see it there. Then once you open your folder, you're going to want to go to starstruck, the Python link. You are going to want to open with notepad. Then you are going to want to put a hashtag next to import open now. This one, you want to put it next to the import. You don't want a space or anything, just directly next to the import. Then for pyogg, you're going to want to put a hashtag the same way you did with the open all. Then you're going to want to file, save it to the same folder. It's going to be the exact same, you're just saving it to the folder. Then what you're going to want to do is within the starstruck master folder specifically, you're going to want to click the bar at the top where it highlights everything. You're going to want to press backspace and then you want to type in CMD. That will open your command prompt. Then what you're going to want to do with your command prompt is you're going to want to open the notes file I have that will be posted. I will have the commands posted in the bio. You're going to want to go to that and you're going to want to import what I have posted in the bio, which will be the commands to download the prerequisites and the inserts, which you can input all at once. I would recommend putting them in one by one, but for the sake I will put them all in once. You will paste them anyway. It will say be careful. Sometimes you have to wait a bit and click enter, etc. Enter. It'll install all the requirements. Then it will say hello from the Pygame community, which will be opening it. You usually give it a sec and it will open. Alrighty, then once it opens, you will see a few. Now FLEASION asset library is useless, and same with the modificationator, you will not need those. Your main two will be your cache list and your asset viewer. Now, your cache list will be accessing your HTTP folder, which you will need to find your sound, and your asset viewer will help you easily find your sounds. Now, another thing you're going to want to do is go to run in your Windows. You'll click run. You'll do %temp %, you'll open it, which will open your temporary file, your temporary folder that will show you your final files. Then you will scroll down until you find Roblox. You will click Roblox. You will scroll down until you find HTTP. Now what I'd recommend doing is Control-A, delete, to delete your temp folder to make it easier for you to find your sound that you are trying to import. Now that we have that out of the way, you will also need FLEASION, obviously, and you'll need your Python, which is basic. It's the most basic step. Expecting that you came to this video knowing that you already have FLEASION and how to do that. Now, once your files delete out of your HTTP folder, it will reset your presets on FLEASION, so you will have to redo that and everything on FLEASION. It won't delete FLEASION, but it will delete the presets. Once that takes a sec, because it will take a sec because it is caching everything from Roblox, you will continue from there. Started with the first step, then you can rescan on cache list and it will show nothing, obviously, because you just cleared your cache, which is your HTTP folder in Roblox. Now the next step is uploading your sounds. Now you're going to want to go to Creator Dashboard on Roblox on your Creator Hub, and you're going to want to upload your assets. Now for now, I'm just going to upload an audio I've done in the past. For now, we're just going to implement the COD Zombies level up sound, whatever. It's a sound, it is fine, it does not matter your length of your sound. Be warned that with a recent patch on the test place of Phantom Forces, if your sound exceeds the length of the gun sound, it will cut out abruptly. You cannot exploit it and you make a longer gun sound to make it easier to find enemies. The length has to be the length of the gun sound. For now, I'm just using a random sound to show you the example. Once that's uploaded, you're going to want to go to Roblox Studio. This will be where you can find your sound hash. Now, you're going to want an untitled game. It doesn't matter what your game is. It could be untitled. It could be random. For now, I'm just going to use my untitled game. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to find in your toolbox, you will find you go to the drop down menu to my audio. You will find your sound. Here's my COD Zombies level up. Then you could easily just drag it in. Just easily insert in. It will be that. You click play. When you click play, your cache folder will start to load it, and you will get your hash. Now that we've clicked play and we have our OGG file, which is your sound file, you can completely exit out of Roblox Studio. You no longer need that. You can exit out of Creator Dashboard. Now what you're going to do is use Starstruck. We're going to rescan. We're going to go in Starstruck and type OGG. Then what we're going to do is find our file, assuming the largest one is the file, which it is not. We will keep moving. It's not that one. It's not that one. Now that we have found our file, which is BFE366, it will be different for any other file, but we have found the hash code using Starstruck. We will go back into our HTTP folder. We will go look up BFE, which we have found it here. You can drag that straight onto your desktop. That is your hash. It is very simple. Once you get your hash, which you will now do, now that you have that code, you now will open your FLEASION folder. You will go to Assets, Custom, Storage, Cached Files. Now this is where you can drag and drop it. Now before you drag and drop it, traditionally what I like to do, rename, copy it. Now that I have that copied, I can drag it in and it will be there. Now for this example, we will replace something. Now that your hash is in the folder, you will do on FLEASION, the newest version, custom from FLEASION assets. You will type in your asset, whatever it could be. It could be a gun sound, a kill sound, a hit sound, whatever it is. You will type that in. For now, I'll just type in something random. It doesn't matter. Then you will enter your replacement, which will be your newest hash. Once that is in, that is it. You are done. Models, it is different. If you would like a model, you can comment on this video and I will make a tutorial for the models, but that is more advanced. This is the basis of it. It will replace your whatever with that, as you can see here, but that is it. That is the simple basis of it, and that is all you need to know. If you have comments, questions, concerns, my bio is open, my comment section is open. Please comment and I will show you. Be wondering where you might be able to find your assets, specifically gun sounds. You can go into the FLEASION folder, Assets, Games, Phantom Forces, Assets.json. Now this folder you can open with this file, you can open up with Notepad. You will go in here and you can scroll, usually it's right at the top. You can scroll down until you find your gun sounds, which you'll see. It's labeled by gun sounds. You can go down there, you can find whatever gun sound you are looking for. This will only replace the shooting sound. It will not replace anything else. It will only replace the specific gun sound. I recommend, if you're going to use a click or a shoot sound, that it is a single shot. It is not a extended, because it will sound bad. That is the pure basis. If you are looking for it, that is how you do your gun sounds. That is all.
Zeus! Your son has returned! I come seeking the weed of Olympus! Kratos, you will not get a hit from the cabbage of the gods. Do not deny me my duty!